Today is the first day of my last teaching job. Is it RV life without the overalls? I think not. Good morning, it's tire day and I'm looking cute. Outfit of the day, I have on a dress. It has buttons all the way down and I have the buttons slightly open with some shorts on, and I have this little shawl, I don't know what you call it. Yeah, and I have my little backpack purse today. New tires, here we come. I had 4 tires that were 10 years old and 2 tires that were 11 years old. New tires! New tires! I have some exciting rim things going on today, which you will have to stay tuned for. Thank you. And a new spare. She has new tires. Yay, new tires. New shoes, new shoes. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm moving forward in all the projects. Things are going great. Things are going great. I have a project that I need to do with the tires that we're gonna do today. So today is the day and we are at Home Depot. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's actually very gloomy and I love gloomy weather. I'm so excited, oh my gosh. I feel like things are really coming along. The tires was one of those big purchases. I decided that I'm gonna park like a normal person and not take up 3 or 4 spaces. My backup camera is a game changer. It really is. I want to park well. Like I want to get really good at this parking. Is that like weird? No, that's what people should do. Learn how to park. And today is a no makeup day, so no makeup day. So you can see how I park. I'm in the lines this time. This time my back is a little out, but I park pretty far from where I am. You see the Home Depot over there, and there's lots of space around the RV. People have space to come through. I'm feeling great, life is good. I am still not in the line. New tires. You come in for one thing and this is so cute. I might adjust the levels, like the lengths, but this is the cutest thing. Right now I have those in that area because they're kind of out of the way of my sink, and it's super cute. I love it. What I was planning to do, since I don't really use both sinks and I don't need 2 sinks, but it's nice to have 2 sinks, I was planning to put a plant here. As long as these don't like fly around too much, it should be okay. I am going to shorten the length at some point when I get situated, but right now this is super cute. I have never been flirted with so much in my life in one store. But Home Depot took the prize. I'm also wearing boots. And yeah, so I think it's the boots. I'm driving down the street and there were 2 people walking towards me, not towards me, but down the street, waving at me, like really waving at me, and I think they might be subscribers. So if you guys are subscribers, hello and thank you for waving. It feels like she's driving so much better. I don't know if it's just me, placebo effect, but she's rolling. Need to stagger them so they don't bump into each other because they have a little bit of, you know, the little shedding from the outside, but they're looking great. I am super excited because I received a package. It's from my favorite thrift store in North Carolina. I have purchased something super fun, which I can use later today when I paint my tires. I'm painting my rims today, so I'm gonna be able to use this today, so I'm excited. I bought quilted overalls. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yay! They're so cute. They're vintage. The inside is quilted. Super excited. These are perfect for me. They actually match my corduroy blankets. Yeah, but I'm super excited. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. There's one side with the zipper. This side has just an open pocket. I would like to interrupt this very satisfying tire reveal by giving my patrons a shout out. I would love to thank my patrons for supporting my channel. And if you would like to become a patron on Patreon or support me through other outlets, all the information and links are in the description box. Now back to my tires. I really like the way they turned out. I even took my RV to the mechanic. Since getting new tires, one of the mechanics at the shop, he was like, "Who did your tires?" And I was like, "I did them myself." And he was like, "Wow, they look good." So yay. I am also very excited to share that I finally received the paperwork that I've been waiting for from the DMV in Oregon. I can finally get my license plate. This is going to be the do as I say, not as I do video and video clip. This is acid. It was given to me by my mom's neighbor and he works with acid. Yeah, I don't recommend it. I'm actually very afraid of acid. It's a scary liquid. Do not use it. Do as I say, not as I do. But wow, look at the difference. I did give it back to my neighbor after using it. I can't deny how impressed I am with the results though. At some point I uploaded a video. I think I was sharing like an egg and cheese sandwich, and someone mentioned that I should try bacon, but I don't eat meat, so I ended up deciding to buy some veggie bacon, and man, it was so good. It's always on my shopping list now, and I eat it many ways. This is my outfit today. Today is the last day. No. Today is the first day of my last teaching job. Good morning. It's a beautiful day. Does that make any sense to you? I'm starting a new job today, and I will be a teacher's assistant for special education at a high school. And it's my first day. I'm driving there now. Oh, okay. Go ahead. Be nice on the road, people. I am starting my new career that I've had to keep a secret for the past year. I have been keeping it a secret, but I am starting this job in the meantime, so I'm excited. Okay, time to pay attention on the road. I must say, my parking skills are great. I was able to let my RV go back over this. I'm good. Thank you, backup camera. You help a lot too. But I must say, I'm getting better at looking at the lines in my rear view mirror. I'm back. Just got off of work. Great first day. We made Rice Krispies with chocolate, what are they called? Cocoa Puffs. It was a lot of fun. There's only 2 students in class right now, and about 8 of them today were distance learning, but I think she said there were about 12 students in the class, so that's really cool. Not a big class. It's very chill today. It actually was really fun, so I'm looking forward to work tomorrow. I had a really good experience, so yay! Good first day and last day of my first day as a teacher. This is actually my first time as a teacher's assistant. I've never been a teacher's assistant before, so it's really interesting. I actually like it because I feel like I can learn a lot from the main teacher, and although I've worked at a school for the blind, this is my first special needs position where I'm working with all special needs outside of, you know, blind students. So it's really cool. I'm really excited about it because there are some students who speak like Vietnamese or sign language, so it'll be great to be able to brush up on my sign language especially. And I've been trying to catch up on Braille, but there are no students who use Braille right now that I'm working with, so I will be brushing up on my Braille just to be able to read it, but I won't be needing it right now. But I think it's a nice skill to have, also with sign language as well. I'll be working for 3 weeks, and then I have vacation for about 2.5 weeks, which is funny, but summer vacation. And then I'll be coming back in the fall, and I'll probably only work a couple months before I start my new career, which I'm excited to share with you guys.